Hi, good morning from West Yorkshire Horseboxes, and here we have the Equihunter Encore 3.9 tonne, as you can see, in a stunning pearl colour, metallic. This one is one with a breast bar, as you can see, swivel headboard. It's got the bed conversion up there, all the luton's all carpeted with a light up there, ladder to access the bed, LED lighting, roof vent, as I say, a swivel headboard, two large tat lockers there, WalkThru breast bar, tinted bonded windows, watch that step Dave, massive tat lockers, aluminium heavy duty ramp, and then in the back we have a sink and drainer with a hob in there, and just under that cover there, there's a hob. A gas cupboard for your gas bottle. This one has the bed conversion, under cupboard with porta potty, microwave oven, large wardrobe, shelving to either side, manual 400 Equine roof vent, security door in there to the horse area, point there for the table. So say ultra stylish modern back end, LED lighting, that's the gas door, and also the tat locker on this side. As you can see, another stunning vehicle from West Yorkshire Horseboxes and Equihunter. You've got 240 socket there with USBs. You've also got the light switch and the USB points there. So yeah, nice little weekend vehicle. You can see the Equihunter branding, and also the cab seats have been done in the contrasting colours with the piping, with the Equihunter branding there to the headrests, and CCTV monitor there on the cab to the right hand side. So don't forget, hit that like and share button, and hope you all have a nice weekend. Once again, that's the Equihunter Encore 3.9 tonne from West Yorkshire Horseboxes and Equihunter. Cheers for looking, guys. Thank you very much. Bye.